Welcome to another Deriv tutorial video. Today, we'll show you how to make a deposit with mobile money. To begin, log into your Deriv account. From Traders Hub, navigate to the Cashier section. Go to the Deposits tab. Then select Deposit via bank wire, credit card, and e-wallet. Select Mobile Money. Read the fine print to make sure everything is in order. Enter the amount you wish to deposit and review the details on the screen. Then click Next. Double-check your details before clicking Verify. If your deposit is successful, you'll see a confirmation message with the transaction summary. We'll also send you a confirmation email to tell you that we've processed your deposit. The balance will show up in your Deriv account fiat wallet once the email is sent. If you wish to change your fiat account currency, contact us on live chat. To learn more about our other payment methods, visit the Payment Methods page. If your account balance doesn't reflect the deposit within the processing time, contact us via live chat. Have your transaction details ready, along with proof of payment, such as a bank statement showing your name, amount, transaction ID, and any relevant information. This will help us to resolve any potential issues. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more informative content. For more information on Deriv's products and services, head to www.deriv.com. Thank you for watching.